Hello, this is Nigel and Cass Adventures again. We're in Grasmere today. Glad you could join us. Seems to be a lot of camper vans up here. Right, we're on the riverside walk here. There's a big exhibition going on. Not quite sure what it is, but there's lots of camper vans and big tents. I'm crossing the wooden bridge over the river here. This is very pretty. Quite a few little mountains around here, isn't there? Or are they hills?
Fells.
Fells, right. That must be the local term. I think this is wild garlic. It's lovely, yes. Can you get them through there? Look at the size of this tree trunk. Oh, the mother's just headbutted that one out to tell it. I think it is garlic. It smells quite strong. Didn't smell when it was up there.
We can't have smelly cam, isn't it?
Yeah, that'd be good. Some more bluebells here.
What tree is it?
Magnolia. I don't think they're out for very long. This here is a walk, and it's made up of little flags, and you can pay to have your name and where you come from put on it. And then last time we were here there weren't this many, so it's obviously quite popular. There's another little stone over here. Right, this is a passage from the William Wordsworth famous poem called Daffodils. Right, we're just entering the graveyard attached to St Oswald's Church in Grasmere. Which way round shall we go? These are the Wordsworth graves, William Wordsworth, and he described Grasmere as the fairest place on earth. His family are also buried here. This is Dora, who was a daughter of William and his wife Mary. And this is William Wordsworth, 1850, and his wife Mary, who's also buried there, who died 9 years later than him. These are other Wordsworth graves. There's a John, a Dorothy, and a Fanny Wordsworth, and that was 1888 on that one.
Looks like it's relatively new, doesn't it? There's not many.
Just 2 names on it so far. Sure, that's it.
Up in front is a famous elm crag, sometimes called the Lion and the Lamb because of the shape of the rocks on the summit.
Well, here we are. We're back home again after our little trip to Grasmere. Absolutely fabulous. We love that place. All the places that you saw are not everything you can see, obviously, just a short view of them. We didn't see Dove Cottage on Rydal Water, which is where Wordsworth and his family used to live, and there's a lovely walk round there, so I do think that would be a good place to visit. We hope you enjoyed this video, because we love making it, and we've got plenty more coming up, so keep an eye open. If you want to see more, press subscribe, free to do so. And if you liked it, click the like button, and we'd love a comment. Keep safe and well. Bye bye.